It's time to light up to the another Marvel Cinematic Universe hero. Marvel Phase 4 has seen a number of new heroes appear on the screen and the old heroes taking a new role as a mentor. And in the Hawkeye Disney Plus series, we will be seeing a new amazing archer, Kate Bishop, as a new Hawkeye. Picking up the event just after the Avengers Endgame, Hawkeye or Clint Barton train a new hero to follow his footsteps or his legacy to being of Hawkeye. Hawkeye is also accepted to explore the Clint times as a murderous anti-hero Ronin after the losing his family from the snap of Thanos during the 5 years between the time period of Infinity War and the Endgame. Is there any Hawkeye trailer? The show set to be arrive in late 2021. Fans can expect a Hawkeye trailer or teaser to be released soon. When will be Hawkeye released on Disney Plus? While the actual release date for Hawkeye is set to be arrived, but still we do know that the series will arrive sometime in the later half of 2021. Interestingly enough, while pretty much all over the MCU project have faced delayed due to COVID-19, Hawkeye seems to be the only one that on a track for its original release schedule. As in the end of this year, Marvel have really big projects. To be specific, there is a trio Marvel movies coming on the way, like Shang-Chi and the Legends of Ten Rings, Eternals, Spider-Man No Way Home. So there is a probability of that the Hawkeye will be arrive in October, but we'll have to wait for the official confirmation from the Marvel. Who is in the Hawkeye cast? Jeremy Renner will be back in the lead role as Clint Barton or Hawkeye, founding Avenger, and the former mass murderer as Ronin. Ellie Stanfield will play a Kate Bishop's part, a new Proteus, and the next Hawkeye. Alqua Cox as Echo, superhero just like Taskmaster who can mimic any task or copy any task by just seeing it. Florence Pugh will also be reprising her role as Elena from the Black Widow, and Vera Farmiga as Kate Bishop's mother. Who are the new characters in the Hawkeye? Ellie Stanfield or Kate Bishop is the biggest new addition to the MCU appearing in the Hawkeye show. Kate is a formidable fighter and an archer who may be actually be better at being Hawkeye than a Clint is. The character Kate is blunt, honest, and level-headed with a fun sibling-style relationship with her mentor, which remind me the father and son relationship which we have seen between the Iron Man and the Spider-Man. Rafi will appear as a character called Kazi. He is better known as a mercenary clown, a supervillain and a hitman in the comic. Clown is responsible for permanently damaging the Clint hearing. It is very probable that the show will be included particular storyline. Alqua Cox is another new MCU actor appearing in the show as a Maya Lopez. Echo was born deaf and has ability to mimic any skill that can be observed. Basically, she is like a heroic taskmaster, and she is one of the first deaf characters to play a deaf character in the end. What is the plot of Hawkeye? The show will primarily focus on the Clint training the Kate to take over his role, and we also know that we will be see how his time as Ronin has affected him. It is possible that we will be see some new Avengers or young Avengers. The recent Disney Plus series has introduced many young Avengers members. WandaVision introduced the version of like Billy and Tommy, the children of the Scarlet Witch and the Vision. They technically weren't real, but there are chances that we will see them again in future projects of MCU. Another young Avengers like Cassie Lang has been part of MCU for a while, first appearing in the Ant-Man, and Catherine Newton will playing the character in the upcoming movie of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. The series also had stories about the Clint going to against the tracksuit wearing gangster, finding his dog Lucky and losing his way. How the Black Widow credit scene set up for the Hawkeye. We got our first idea of how Hawkeye is connected to the larger MCU in the Black Widow credit scene, which takes place after the just ending of the Avengers Endgame, revealed that Elena is working for Valentina, who we first saw in the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. The final moment of the scene sees the Valentina giving Elena a new target, calling him that the person is responsible for his sister's death, and she handed over a picture of a Hawkeye to Elena. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.